Welcome to this tutorial on calculating quantiles in NumPy arrays using np.quantile. Quantiles are fundamental statistical measures that help us understand how data is distributed. They're essential tools for analyzing datasets and identifying key values within your data. A quantile is a cut point that divides a dataset into continuous intervals with equal probabilities. Think of it as a way to slice your data into segments where each segment contains an equal proportion of values. For example, the 0.5 quantile, also known as the median, splits your data exactly in half. Half the values fall below it, and half fall above it. There are several common types of quantiles you'll encounter. Quartiles use values like 0.25, 0.5, and 0.75 to divide data into 4 equal parts. Deciles use values from 0.1 through 0.9 to divide data into 10 parts. Percentiles divide data into 100 parts using values from 0.01 to 0.99. And the median, at 0.5, represents the middle value of your dataset. The basic syntax for np.quantile is straightforward. It takes 3 main parameters: A, which is your input array, Q, which specifies the quantile values you want to calculate, and axis, which determines the direction along which to compute the quantiles. The axis parameter is optional and defaults to none. Let's break down each parameter in detail. The parameter is your input array, or any object that can be converted to an array. The parameter Q represents the quantile values you want to calculate, and these must be between 0 and 1. Finally, the axis parameter specifies the axis along which to compute the quantiles. When axis is none, the quantile is computed for the flattened array. Here's a simple example to get started. We import NumPy as np, then create an array with values from 1 to 10. To calculate the median, we call np.quantile with our data array and 0.5 as the quantile value. The result is 5.5, which is the median of our dataset. This value represents the exact middle point where half the data falls below and half falls above. You can calculate multiple quantiles at once by passing a list of values to the Q parameter. In this example, we have an array with values from 10 to 90. We calculate the quartiles by passing a list containing 0.25, 0.5, and 0.75. The result is an array containing 30, 50, and 70. These 3 values represent the 25th percentile, the median, and the 75th percentile respectively. The axis parameter allows you to compute quantiles along specific dimensions of multidimensional arrays. In this example, we have a 3x3 array. When we set axis equals 0, we calculate quantiles along the columns, giving us 4, 5, 6. When we set axis equals 1, we calculate quantiles along the rows, resulting in 2, 5, 8. This flexibility lets you analyze data in different directions depending on your needs.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.